Are you looking for a way to get rich quickly? Well, this video is not for you. Get rich quick schemes rarely work and aren't actually applicable and practical. Don't worry though, because I'll be sharing how you can get rich with tips that will help you in your financial journey. I'll tell you how you can be on a path to becoming a millionaire. As I said, this isn't a get rich quick scheme, so you must put in hard work and effort. It's gonna take creativity, willingness, dedication, and consistency. I'll give you things you can do daily. These small actions and efforts that will make a big difference. This isn't a fast path, just a disclaimer. This is a process, a journey that you need to go through to reap the benefits of your hard work. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Today, I will be sharing how you can retire as a millionaire in 10 years. Let's dive into the steps. First, believe it. If you're already a pessimist, thinking, "Oh, I doubt I'm ever going to become a millionaire." Well, if you don't believe it, you are setting yourself up for failure. You need to believe that you can reach that millionaire status. Be an optimist. Well, I do understand this could be difficult, especially if you are starting from zero or a negative balance to a million. You gotta have the right mindset. This will help you have the courage to really take the steps you need to, and will motivate you to navigate through all the roadblocks you will encounter. Believe that you are capable, because you are. What are some ways you can manifest this? Daily affirmations are one thing I do. I look in the mirror and give myself an everyday pep talk to remind myself that I can and that I will. That's also something you could try out. If you find it weird talking to yourself, you can make a vision board instead. I would try that, but I'm not very crafty. You can achieve your long-term goals if you keep them in sight and put your mind to them. Second, set realistic goals. Do you remember that I mentioned earlier that you need to be optimistic? Well, you also need to be realistic. It's actually a good practice to break down your big goals into smaller goals. That will make up the whole picture. For you to understand this better, it's like if your goal is to get $1 million in 10 years, your goal could be to save and invest $100,000 or more each year. Let's say, for example, you are earning minimum wage. You must think, "Oh no, that's not possible. Neither is it realistic, because $100,000 is a lot of money." So instead of setting your goal to $100,000 a year, set a more feasible goal, like investing part of your income as soon as possible. Investing as soon as possible is an excellent move to make, because this will give you compound interest. This is where you will earn exponentially more and more through your interest. So, say you are earning about $25,000 in year 1 from investments, $35,000 for year 2, $45,000 in year 3, and in year 4. You got $65,000 to $85,000 in year 5, $95,000 in year 6. So you see, we did not reach 100 by year 6. So when you lay it out like that sounds like a more feasible plan, doesn't it? Before you know it, you got $1 million already. Third, increase your income. You might be thinking, "Oh yeah, why didn't I think of that?" I know, I get it, but there's a lot more to it than you think. Okay, so hear me out. There are 3 ways you can earn more money. We'll go through them really quick. The first one is to increase your salary and ask for a raise. You might have thought that's not going to happen. Well, it could, and you won't really know it unless you try, or you could look for a different higher paying job. The second way is to get a side hustle, trading the extra time you have for money. I understand this could be difficult. especially if you are already working a 9 to 5 job. But you can make it work because there are many job options out there that could work for you and your schedule. The third way, which I believe is the best way personally, is to get passive income through investing. For example, earning money through dividends. In this way, you don't need to trade your time for extra money. What side hustle can you think of that could increase your income? Please share it with us in the comments below. If you are still there, keep watching because I have 4 more tips that could just be the key to becoming a millionaire. Fifth, you should invest early and regularly. Both of them are essential. Early because you're going to need that compound interest. The earlier you can start investing, the better it will be for your financial journey. Here's an investing strategy I do. It's maxing out all your tax advantage accounts. These are your 401k, Roth IRA, and HSA accounts. Invest in index funds. I don't suggest you go for individual stocks. By the way, I talk more about investing in our other videos, so check those out if you want to learn more about what you should be investing in and how you can invest in these. Sixth, investing in real estate. Buy a house or get a rental property. A lot of successful investors invest solely in real estate. It's safe, long-term, and will give you returns. But of course, what you need here is a capital to start it up. I personally don't really invest in real estate, which is why I put this on the lower half of the list. But I have done enough research and know many people who are successful in their investments in real estate. This is definitely something I'll also be trying though. Seventh, take risks. If you are young and have a lot of time on your hands, most especially, then this is the time for you to take risks. Even if you make mistakes, you got a lot of time to pull yourself back up and do better. On the positive side of things, if you take risks now and it actually works out for you, then that's a big boost on your progress to getting that millionaire status. So go ahead and take that new job, invest aggressively, and move to a different country if it's more beneficial to you financially. Although, when I say take risks, this doesn't mean deciding on these things impulsively. These are definitely things that you have to plan and really think through. That's enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.